2025, Core Scientific energized as many megawatts as its closest publicly traded peers combined. To accomplish that, we broke ground on 5 AI factories across 4 states. 2 were expansions of our existing campuses in Denton, Texas, and Marble, North Carolina. The remaining 3 were new greenfield developments, 1 in Muskogee, Oklahoma, and 2 in Dalton, Georgia. Across those sites, our team and partners delivered approximately 1 million square feet of data center shells, approximately $2 billion of infrastructure, an average of 3,300 active on-site workers that logged more than 5 million labor hours. Let's take a closer look at how each AI factory progressed in 2025, beginning in Denton, Texas. Our 262 megawatt, 400,000 square foot Denton campus is broken into 2 sections, Denton North and Denton South. Today, Denton North is fully operational, running production GPU workloads, representing 90 billable megawatts. At Denton South, the first 41 megawatt data hall commenced billing, and the next 41 megawatt data hall began the energization process. The remaining buildings on the South Campus remain on track for Q2 energization. The full campus completion is targeted by mid-year. Denton alone now represents approximately 130 billable megawatts, actively supporting more than 50,000 Grace Blackwell GPUs. The next site is Marble, North Carolina. The 65 megawatt, 250,000 square foot Marble facility achieved full site energization in 2025. 2 of the 3 data halls were delivered by the end of Q4. Those achievements represent 36.5 billable megawatts and support roughly 15,000 Grace Blackwell GPUs. Final GPU deployments begin this week in the last data hall, and full site completion remains targeted for Q2. Now, onto our AI factory in Muskogee, Oklahoma. Muskogee represents 70 megawatts and a 138,000 square foot campus. Vertical construction is now complete. The site is fully energized and has advanced into commissioning, remaining on track for full delivery in the second quarter. Moving on to our Dalton Phase 1 site. Dalton represents 30 megawatts and a 52,000 square foot campus. The site has completed vertical construction. Dalton Phase 1 is also fully energized and progressing through subsequent commissioning phases, preparing it for high-density, liquid-cooled AI systems, with full delivery expected in the second quarter. And that leads us to the last of the 5 sites. In Q4, we broke ground on Dalton Phase 2, a new greenfield 145 megawatt campus in the final AI factory supporting CoreWeave's 590 megawatt commitment. Vertical construction is underway with full delivery on track for early 2027. Building at this scale and speed doesn't come without obstacles. We navigated historic weather events, adapted our designs to support the latest GPU platforms, and refined our approach with every deployment, building on each to move faster and smarter with every megawatt we deliver. Just 12 months ago, these campuses were empty lots and dormant brownfield buildings. Today, they are powering more than 350 megawatts of AI infrastructure.